Good morning mga idol. So meron na naman tayong bagong spot courtesy of Boss Jibril. So nasa 5th floor tayo ng Corrupted Labyrinth dito. And ito yung spot. Nakikita nyo naman hindi nauubos yung monsters. So let's see kung ilan yung mafa-farm natin na temporal piece. 10, 850. Yan. And meron pa tayong 57 minutes. Okay. So, try natin mag-buff. Yan. Para mas kunwari, mas malakas. Okay. So, meanwhile, habang hindi ko pa kinakat yung video, gusto ko lang ipakita yung kasi based on my last video, based on this video, may nagsabi full plate for PvE or 3 plate and 2 cloth, tapos late game leather once mataas na accuracy mo kasi useless. Yes, I get it. So sinubukan ko naman and ito siya. So naka 3 plate at 2 cloth ako. Meron din nagsabi na yeah, you have lots of crits but low accuracy. And then si Vincent, sabi niya, cloth pa rin talaga sir to all class or lords. Mapa early to end game, PvE or PvP. Mostly kasi ability skill type. I agree with this but partially only because even if I am full plate, sabihin na natin ipasok natin lahat, naka-plate lang ako. Ayan. Saan yung boots ko? Ayan. Tignan nyo. Armor, full plate. And tignan natin, yung consumption ko ng mana is 277 and 210. Yung crossbow kasi meron siyang ganito na ability. For every hit, meron siyang 30 na babalik. So, check natin. Pansinin nyo, like for maybe or ifo-forward ko na lang yung video. Hindi ako magkakaproblema sa mana. Kasi pag nag-cast yan, tignan nyo, may 30, yan, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, yan. Kahit full plate yan. And ilang skills yung naka-activate dyan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 skills. And if ever mag-short ako, cancel ko lang yung isang skill like this one. But yes, I do agree na lahat ng abilities of course requires mana regeneration. Yan. But I don't have that big of a problem kasi nga sa crossbow ko meron tayong ganito na skill. Di ba? And let's try to compute. For 6 seconds siya and di ko kasi mabilang kung ilang hits yung kaya kong gawin for 6 seconds. Basta yung attack speed ko right now is 111. Basta yan, napapansin nyo naman kung ang character mo talaga ay mauubusan ng mana, by now, kalahati na siya, diba? Yun, 1 second na lang, magkakast na naman ako ng mana regeneration. Ayun. So, babalik na naman yung mana ko. Kaya, yes, I do agree with that one, but partially because yung skill ko, meron akong ganun. And yeah, yun lang muna. And yes, with that, I would like to thank everybody na nagre-respond or nagko-comment sa video ko. Lalo na yung mga constructive criticism. Okay? Na-appreciate ko yan. And as you can see, tignan nyo naman, finalo ko yung advice nyo na ganon. So, ay gusto kong subukan kung ano yung effect. Meron tayong nilagay na dalawang cloth. Yan. Para ma-check natin kung is this good or not. Okay? So, i-cut muna natin yung video and then I will continue this after natin after 1 hour or after 51 minutes. Alright, so meron na tayong 1 minute and 20 something seconds left. So check natin kung ilang. By the way, nag-switch ako to leather kasi pinapa-level ko rin yung leather ko. And sabay na siya sa cloth. Tignan niyo yung experience acquisition dyan. Halos magkasunod-sunod. So nakakuha tayo ng, sige, bilangin natin, 14,438 minus 10K, 10,850. Yun. So 3.5 yung na-accumulate natin. Actually may pumatak pa. Not bad. How I wish na matapatan ko yung nakukuha ni Ray Jarino, ni Idol Boss Rage. Kasi yung 1 hour niya 5K. Although striker siya, yung to me I think fast kill din naman ako. Kasi yung relatively 3 to 5 hits lang yung monster sa akin sa normal hit Yun, pansin niyo naman kung gaano sila kabilis ma-clear. Yun nga lang, hindi ko talaga kaya yung 5K. Never pa ako naka ng 5K in 1 hour. Alright, so hanggang dito na lang yung video. Good morning sa ating lahat. Happy New Year. Keep grinding.